Hi kitchen lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. Yes guys, I promise you to post content every week. Yes. Thank you so much for the support you've shown me, guys. We are on the road to 500 subbies, so yeah, I'm so excited. Guys, so for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a rock band. Yeah, rock bands, yeah. Guys, so this is what you will need. You see my butter, this is how I like it. Well, I just have to microwave it and let it melt a bit so that it's not too hard. Yeah, but you can still use like cold butter. This is baking powder, fresh milk, brown sugar, vanilla essence, and your food coloring. So let's start our video. We also need 4 egg yellows. I'm going to get them right now. Yeah. Yes guys, so the first thing we're going to do is to take in our butter. Yeah, and we're going to put it in this bowl. There goes our butter. Yabo. And then we'll need 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1, 2, 3. All right. And then we need our vanilla essence. That's about a teaspoon of vanilla essence. A teaspoon of vanilla essence. And then we will need few drops of our food color, yellow food color. Just 1 or 2 drops. Okay. So when we have this, we're going to give this a good stir. All right, mix these two together like this. All right, and then we take in our egg yellow. That's 4 of them. All right, inside. So now I'm going to take my flour. All right, it's here. This is cake flour, guys. It's cake flour. I'm going to add in some baking powder, about a tablespoon of baking powder. Yep, there we go. And then we'll give this a good stir. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take this mixture, all right, and then I'm gonna see, this is what it looks like now, right? Then I'm going to be taking in my flour and throwing it into this bowl. All right, this is so easy to make, guys, I promise you. Make sure that you've washed your hands, and then you take in this flour and then you just throw it in there. So now you have to start mixing the two, right? This is what you have to do, guys. Guys, I managed to come up with this thickness. You see how thick it is? Yes. So you just add less than a cup of milk, right? And then now I'm greasing the pan, right? So that we start placing them onto the pan. All right. So as you're doing this, make sure you're preheating your oven at 200 degrees, and then you're going to bake for 15 minutes. 15 minutes, all right? So let's do this. Let's just place this here. See? This will give us 6 rock buns. Yes guys, this is what our flour is looking like now. So I'm going to take in my fresh milk and start adding it into this mixture. Make sure you don't add a lot. You need about 3/4 of the cup, all right, of milk, fresh milk. You can even use, you see them guys, they are inside, so let's wait for 15 minutes. Yes guys, our buns are already out. They are done. Look at them guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Let's get them out of the tray. You take them out. See them guys, they look so good right now. Let me show you this one. See, this is how it's looking. It's perfect guys. Yeah, but please try this at home. Make sure you don't burn them, all right? Yeah, well, put them in there. There we have it, our rock buns. They look like rocks, but they're actually very soft on the inside. Yeah. Thank you for watching guys. Bye.